Forget expensive lumber and plastic. Today I'm going to show you how to build a raised bed from recycled treasures you probably already have lying around. Get ready to turn your old junk into a thriving garden oasis. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First, it's time for a treasure hunt. Think outside the box. Pallets, concrete blocks, old tires, even leftover planks or bricks from past projects can be gold for garden beds. Where do I find these gems? Check out local recycling centers, reach out to construction companies, or browse online marketplaces for free stuff. Just make sure what you choose is sturdy, a good size for your plants, and has a look you'll love in your garden. Durability wins every time, but don't be afraid to mix materials for a funky vibe. Alright, let's build this thing. Lay out your chosen materials in the shape you want. For pallets and wood, use a saw to cut them down to size. Then join the corners with screws or brackets for a solid frame. If you're using concrete blocks or bricks, simply stack them in place. No need for mortar unless you want extra stability. Old tires? Just stack and fill. The key is making sure your raised bed sits level with solid corners and no big gaps. And remember, plants hate soggy feet, so line the bottom with a layer of gravel or sticks for drainage. Then fill at least a foot deep with good soil. Now, let's add some personality. I love to personalize my beds with a splash of paint, a quick stain, or even natural touches like woven twigs. Try dividing your bed into sections for herbs, veggies, or flowers, or go vertical by stacking blocks and filling the holes with soil for instant herb pockets. And don't forget to add a protective layer of cardboard or landscape fabric at the bottom. This keeps weeds out and helps water drain perfectly. Step back and admire your eco-friendly masterpiece. Not only does it look awesome, but you've also saved money and helped the planet. I hope this inspires you to get out there and experiment with your own creative raised bed designs. If you want more tips on sustainable gardening or ideas for what to plant next, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more garden magic. Your oasis is just getting started.